If you're buying or selling a home, you know you need to call those Callaways because they are going to help you find that dream home. And as always, we have with us Joe Coleman to tell us about a fantastic home.
Yeah, we have a truly special property. It's 3232 East Stanford Drive. It's going to be open today 1 to 4. It's just a magnificent property that has a great split wing master section with an office and 2 bonus rooms off the master.
Oh, wow.
It's got a wonderfully lit and bright basement, a walkout basement with a studio and a pool table area and a full bar. And like I said, it's a walkout basement, so it's got huge windows and stairs up to one of my favorite features of the house, which is the over acre-and-a-half lot, which just has everything you can imagine in it, room for more, and it's all highlighted by a wonderful rooftop patio to take in all the mountain views and everything that PV has to offer. It's just a really special property. You've got to come see it to see everything it has because it's just too much to mention.
Well, no one will want to leave. You get there and you buy the home and that's it. You're never going to want to leave that house.
Yep, you can just stay there all day and have everything at your disposal.
It sounds gorgeous. So what's the price for this one?
It's 325, so 3,250,000.
Okay.
Which in PV,
in that area, yeah.
Just minutes from Biltmore, 10 minutes from Fashion Square Mall. I mean, the location can't be beat. So it's just a wonderful property you've got to come see.
They definitely do. And as always, if this isn't the house for them, they just need to call you and you're going to help them find the perfect home.
Yep, absolutely. Wherever you're looking or selling, just give us a call and we're happy to help.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.